Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of Colony, the ultimate decentralized platform designed for crypto enthusiasts looking to maximize their investments. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to unlock Colony's potential and make your digital assets work for you. Colony is a blockchain-based platform offering innovative ways to grow your crypto holdings. With its focus on decentralized finance, Colony enables users to stake, invest, and participate in DAO governance with ease. After signing up, navigate to the dashboard, where you can explore different staking pools for various crypto assets. Each pool provides a clear view of the expected returns, duration, and risk level, helping you make informed decisions. To get started, deposit your preferred cryptocurrency by selecting the Wallet Integration option. Colony supports major wallets like MetaMask, making deposits seamless. Once your assets are deposited, access the staking section. Choose a pool that suits your investment goals, review the staking terms, and click to confirm. Your staked crypto will begin earning rewards immediately, with accruals visible in real time on your dashboard. For those interested in governance, Colony's DAO mechanism allows you to vote on project proposals and contribute to the ecosystem's direction. Access the DAO section to view active proposals and use your staked assets to cast your vote. This feature adds a layer of involvement that empowers users to shape the future of the platform. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. One of Colony's standout features is its transparency and security. All transactions are recorded on-chain, ensuring trust and accountability. Plus, Colony's intuitive design makes it accessible even for beginners. Don't miss out. Take control of your crypto journey today. Sign up with my link https://lnk.do/jquucoif and receive a bonus as a new user. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials and updates.